Neha, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Today I am making a delicious carrot cake. Let's get a bowl, and on top of the bowl I have a sifter. I have about a 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You just want to sift that through and get it to your bowl. In that same bowl, add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. Let's mix all of the dried ingredients together. And once that's done, we'll take another bowl for our wet ingredients. Using another bowl for the wet ingredients, I have 3/4 cups of vegetable oil. Add in 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs. Let's mix all of that up together. I know it doesn't look very appetizing right now, but once that cake is made, you guys, it will be the most delicious carrot cake that you've ever had. Now let's go back to the dried ingredients. Slowly incorporate the wet ingredients with that flour mixture. This is what the dough looks like. It's a nice consistency, and I'm adding in 1.5 cup of fresh grated carrots. And I do want to mention that at this point of this recipe here, you don't have to limit yourself to just carrots. I'm also using 1/2 cup of raisins, but if you don't like raisins, you can definitely add pineapples, or you can add in pecans as well. The goal for this cake is to make it as moist as you can. So anything goes, carrots, raisins, or pineapple. I have my 9-inch cake pan here. I did put a little bit of cooking spray on top just so that the cake doesn't stick to the pan. Set your oven at 350 Fahrenheit and bake it for 40 minutes. Let's do the toothpick test and make sure that it's cooked all the way through. And now we'll be doing the frosting. Also, just make sure that the cake is cooled completely. After taking out the cake from the fridge, as you can see here, I took it out from the pan and I have it on a plate. It'll be easier for me to frost it. And I have some cream cheese, and you want to let it soften up a little bit first, and then let's make our frosting. So I'll be using my KitchenAid for this. In the bowl for my frosting, I have 1/2 cup of room temperature cream cheese. Also put in 1/4 cup of salted butter. The reason for that is because I don't have to put in salt later on, and the frosting won't be as sweet. But you can definitely use unsalted butter and then just add a little bit of salt. And I put in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I like to mix all of the wet ingredients first together, and then I'll be adding in my powdered sugar. In all, it is 2 cups of powdered sugar, and you want to slowly incorporate it all together. This is what it looks like, my nice cream cheese frosting. There you go. And now at this point, I would say, honestly, decorate it as however you like. I'll be honest, I did put the icing as best as I could on this cake, and I did put in some pecans as well on top just to give it a little bit of a texture and also to decorate it a little bit. This is what it looks like. I'm so happy how it turned out. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like my video, and do check out my other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you!